Samsung Kies helps transfer files and recover deleted data on Samsung phones. In this video, we'll show how to use Kies and recommend an alternative for managing Android files without hassle. How to install Samsung Kies. Download Kies for Windows or Mac and double-click to start installation. Follow the instructions, select your country and language, then click Next. Confirm the installation and wait 30 minutes. Restart your computer if prompted. Guide to transfer files from Samsung to computer with Samsung Kies. Step 1. Connect your Samsung via USB. Step 2. Check device info. Step 3. Select files and click Backup. Step 4. Wait, then click Complete. Guide to restore Samsung phones with Samsung Kies. 1. Connect the Samsung to your computer and just follow the steps in the last tutorial. Scroll down the page of Backup or Restore to the bottom and click the Restore button. 2. Select the backup files that you made before and click the Next button. Next, select the item you want to restore and click the Next button. Then the restored data will be sent to internal memory. 3. Finally, click the Complete button to finish the restoring process, and then reboot your Samsung. Alternatives to Samsung Kies Android transfer software. Mobikin Assistant for Android can transfer files like contacts, SMS messages, photos, music, videos and so on from various brands of Android phones, including not only Samsung but also Huawei, Xiaomi, Vivo, Motorola, Sony, Tecno, etc. to PC. Step 1. Start the software and connect your Android phone to your PC. You may need to open the USB debugging by following the instructions on the interface. If you did this before, you can skip to the next step now. Step 2. The software scans your Android, showing files. On the left panel, select a file to preview on the right, mark what you want, and click Export to transfer to PC. Alternatives to Samsung Kies Android recovery software. Mobikin Doctor for Android is a powerful software that can undelete Android data. Even though you have no backup, it can be applied to almost all brands of Android phones and can recover various types of files. How to use. Download the software. Root your Android to recover deleted contacts or messages from internal memory. 2. Connect your phone and enable USB debugging. The software will detect your device and show the interface. 3. After scanning, select files from the left panel, mark what to recover, and click Recover.